Hey people, welcome to Tots and Moms. My name is Kavitha and in today's video I'll show you how to make Methi and Mooli Paratha. A very simple finger food or snack option or even breakfast option this is. Generally what I do is, it is either Methi Paratha or Mooli Paratha, but this is a very hot favorite in my home. Both the kids love it and it's very simple to put in together and make it for them. So the ingredients are super healthy. Mooli, fights cough and cold, prevents constipation. Methi, on the other hand, is a medicinal herb and it is great for immunity and iron rich as well. So putting in both together is this simple paratha recipe. Let's dive right in and see how to make it. Let me first begin with the list of ingredients required to make this Mooli and Methi paratha. It is radish and fenugreek leaves paratha. Now I am taking some grated radish or mooli along with chopped fenugreek leaves. In a pan or a bowl, I am squeezing out the water from mooli. It is a very healthy juice. You don't have to discard it. I'll show you how to use it further. Squeeze it out well and then we will keep this mixture aside. It's not a mixture, it is the juice of the radish. Now we'll take this pan, we'll add fenugreek leaves and then a little bit of oil along with it, and we will fry it for a minute or two, not more than that. Once you fry it, then we will start adding in all the other ingredients. I am adding carom seeds at first, followed by turmeric powder. I am now adding chili powder. Please adjust it to your requirement or baby's necessity. And I am adding garam masala, completely optional, but it really gives a good taste. This is salt and it needs to be skipped for babies below 2 years. If you're below 1 year, if you're offering it as a finger food, then skip it. Only for you, you can later add it and make another set of dough, or keep the masala separate and prepare a small dough for them. And once mixing in all the ingredients for another minute, you can transfer it to a plate and allow it to cool down completely. And then we will prepare a dough. Now to the juice we have kept, I am adding in wheat flour and then the masala we just prepared. Bring in all the ingredients together and prepare a dough like this. Knead it well. You don't have to add oil again to knead it because it's already in the masala we added. I'll just pour in a little bit of oil on top so that this doesn't dry out. Rest it for 10 to 15 minutes and then start rolling out parathas like this. Just normal chapati sort. Though being a paratha, you don't have to worry about stuffing. Not everybody is good at stuffing. That's why this sort of paratha goes good at that time. I'll cook it on medium flame. Once one side is cooked a bit, I'll apply ghee and turn it over, flip it and apply it on both the sides. Now after cooking it for a while, keep the roti a little thick because you're offering it for a toddler and then you want it to be soft. I really hope you like this recipe. On our channel there are plenty of snacks options which you can see. Potato suji pancake was the recent recipe I shared. You can check multigrain jaggery cookies. You can also check banana appam recipe and cheesy potato bites. These are, all the recipes I post on our channel are tried and tested ones. My kids are the ones who tell me that it is good or not, and also something which do not take a lot of time. That's what we parents want, right? We do not have a lot of time in hand and we want time saving recipes. So this channel is all about it. Do consider subscribing to my channel. I'll see you soon in yet another video. Till then, take care of yourself. Bye-bye.